want to welcome. Today is March 2nd, 2013.
Wanna try
We're
it?
gonna play the claw machine. Hey, that's the Valentine version. It's not Valentine's anymore. Yeah. Let's try that purple bird right there. Yeah. Let's hold that red bird.
The red one. The red one.
The one with the bow?
Yeah.
But that's the Valentine one.
That's okay.
Alright, we're gonna start. Right. Forward.
Forward more.
Right a little.
Right. Right more. Forward a little more.
Huh?
Right.
Why is the laser showing on the blue
Get the
bird?
black one over there.
Nah.
Press. Right there.
Yes, you got it, sister.
Ah.
Let's go to the Fruit Ninja. Daddy, what's easy here?
Oh. The watermelon. Try the watermelon.
Which one?
This one right here.
Okay. How about the orange?
The orange. You have 2 oranges already.
How pretty down here. Where? There. Oh yeah, but it's ungettable. Hey, the pink bear is still here. It's still outside here. Now just go.
Oh no.
Oh, here. Let's try it like this again.
Back. Wait. Go right. Forward a little. Right there. Go. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Ah, there's it. Right.
Wanna get the watermelon? My sister is trying that same one again. That pig right there. That pig by the price shoot? That's a king pig. No, that pig.
Oh, do it over there, okay? Over there, not.
I don't think that's easy. Try that red bird again.
No, red bird again, no.
Nothing gettable here.
Get the black one right there.
Forward.
Thing right there.
No.
Left.
You mean that one right there?
The black one, yeah, it's just no.
No, we already have one.
Right, little. Go. That's it. Yeah, got it. You got it. Ooh.
Hey, come on. Let's go for that one. Come on, Daddy.
Watermelon again.
Right. One.
I think so, maybe. No, it doesn't work. Huh?
Only one time, I think.
One time, yeah. Back. More. No, not that. Back. Stop. Forward a little. Left a little. Right, no, right there. I left just a little. Yeah. There you go. You got it.
I knew it. My sister keeps trying to try an Angry Bird. Well, I just discovered this Hello Kitty, but the price is, I don't know. Maybe we should have no problem with getting it. Because I see a Hello Kitty by the price shoot.
Right.
You want that blue bird? Or that red bird?
Forward, more.
Nope.
More.
Back a little bit.
Huh?
Back.
No.
Okay, go.
Left a little.
Left.
Forward a little.
I'm really uptight, baby.
Forward a little.
No, need it.
Go, press. Yes, you got it.
No. How about Winnie the Pooh by the price shoot now? Sister, I see a Hello Kitty. Sister, here's another one right here. See? Can you try for me? I don't. Hey, there's Hello Kitty by the price shoot.
Huh?
You?
Where?
That one right
No way. Wait, watch. Move.
there. Someone's playing. Whoa. Right? What she's trying to get? She's trying to get this watermelon. Laser beam.
Yeah. Oh.
Let's try the Hello Kitty by the price sheets.
No.
Alright. I'll try.
Try again.
Yeah, maybe. Hey, someone's trying on the other side.
What's the other side?
Over there. Come on. Nothing gettable here. Good. Let's try and get that. Want to get the second blackbird?
Huh? Which one?
I don't want to. Why do I have to wait? Tokens?
No, not that side, the other side.
Idiot. It still works. So what do we get?
That's up to you.
Let's try the blackbird one try.
Forward.
Whoa. Shaky.
Yeah.
Oh, it was shaking a lot.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah! Yeah! The second blackbird! I win 12 times! Yeah!
Winner.
Yeah! What would you name him? The second blackbird, guys! I'll think of a name. But she just won. Why don't we try that King Pig? Because if someone just won, let's try that watermelon again. I won 12 times, Daddy! I got it! I got it! That the Hello Kitty? No. The Pink Bear? No. I got this! Nice! Let's try the white bear in the back.
What? The white bear? White bear?
And here's the attack, assist, Angry Bird space. Woo! Whoa, wait. What? Let's high five one more time. Hey, let's high five one more time.
What?
No, that's over there. It's on the other side of the Angry Birds. Whoa!
She lost 50 cents.
So fine, I guess I should find the office.
Huh?
Yeah, then it's my turn if she lost. No.
No more dealing machine, okay?
Yeah, I think this one's broken.
Hurry here.
What can we try? The watermelon. I don't want the watermelon.
How about the apple?
Wait, which apple? That apple next to that banana standing up? Yeah, let's go for that one. As you see, guys, I'm wearing shorts now and my watch. 12:43.
Wait, forward.
12:43 p.m.
Left a little.
Not a.m.
Left a little. Right a little.
Yeah.
Yes.
Drop.
There you go.
Yes, you got it, sister.
Oh.
My turn. Watermelon. I'm getting the watermelon. With a banana standing up.
No, that's not gonna get it.
Let's try the orange.
No orange.
Daddy, it's the easiest one we can get.
Try the apple. Try the apple again.
Now what? Orange? Let's try one. Yeah, let's go for that watermelon.
Right a little.
Huh? Right.
Yeah. There you go. You got it. You got it.
It hit the apple right there. Because it hit the apple. Try that. Never mind.
Huh?
Apple.
Okay.
She wants to try the apple again. Yeah, Daddy, I went 12 times.
Back a little. Right a little. Yeah, right there. Yes.
Oh.
No.
Nothing. Huh? That's all? Are you sure, Cassie?
I only have 1 point. For a while ago, see? Let's go.
Wait, someone's playing. Let's watch.
Why are you recording?
Huh?
Why are you recording me?
You know, get into the call. Later, wait.
Let's go.
That's all for today, guys. Prizes for the day will be this blackbird. It is so cool. This black bird.
Next time.
Not like last week at the Fun Factory, we won 4 prizes. Prizes for the day. It's this blackbird. I don't know what this orange thing is, and it has a cape. Huh?
Keep saying that.
Yeah, I can see it now. So prizes for the day. It's the blackbird, and then here's the tab that says Angry Bird Space, and here's the back of it. And right here it says not for retail sale. So we have one prize for the day. Let me ask my dad something. Okay. Today is the day of Saturday, not Sunday. Like usually every Sunday we go to this place. Well, yeah. Daddy,
Huh?
are you going to go to the fun house tomorrow?
No, maybe not.
$10. Huh?
This week you don't do a good job.
Oh well.
You
So,
tried.
thanks for watching our show. And thanks for watching. We have no more money because there's only one quarter. And in the back of this quarter, it is just a picture of Mount Rushmore. You guys might not see it clearly, but you guys might see 4 circles, it's just the heads. Mount Rushmore is made in South Dakota. Let's see if I can stay. But here we're in Macy's. And I hope you're on the video today because it is great to win this blackbird. Remember the last time, guys, on December 9th, 2012, I won. My sister won a blackbird themed like this. Yeah, it was cool. Here's the escalator. There's the elevator. Want to check the inside of it? Sure. Take a look. Let's press this button right here. See the inside. Nice, huh? Daddy, what can we name him? He's a boy. He's a boy. What kind of name do you want, Daddy?
Robert.
Robert? Okay. So we're gonna name this guy Robert. Today is March 2nd, 2013. Thanks for watching my show. Bye-bye now, guys. And thanks for